lecture video of Parkinson disease. Okay, so what is the mean by Parkinson disease? It is a neurodegenerative disorder. Okay, so it's like a disorder that affects CNS, that is central nervous system, that affects the movements or tremors. The tremors of nerve cell damage. Nerve cell damage in the brain causes of dopamine levels of increase or drop by drop. Okay, that is called Parkinson disease. Okay, so here our body already produces dopamine energetic signals or dopamine receptors effective pharmacological actions. Okay, it will be gradually increase the hormone levels. Okay, so here the reduce of dopaminergic level, it may causes of Parkinson disease. Okay, so it may affect the CNS effects. Okay, here right, what are the symptoms of Parkinson disease? Here first of all, tremors. The tremors like hands and limbs. It is involuntary movements or uncontrolled movements of hands, limbs. That is called tremors. Okay. Next, muscles. So we are also having muscle stiffness effect. Okay, muscle stiffness effect or difficulty to standing or difficulty to mobility movements or walking. Okay. Next, sleep. Sleep also due to restless sleep or sleep disturbances. Okay, so restless sleep or sleep disturbances. Right. Next, mode. They are anxiety. The effects of anxiety. They are CNS depressant effects. They are related to anxiety. Next, what is the diagnosis of Parkinson disease? It may diagnosis of patient history to provide patient history and neurological examination to the physician. The physician to be examined by the patients of neurological examinations like normal body movements, like eyeball movements here also. Okay. Next, CT brain or MRI brain scan. Okay. It will be easy for diagnosis of Parkinson disease. Okay. Next, blood test. Okay. Here the 3-month blood test will be available for the laboratory. Okay. So here the findings of diagnosis of Parkinson disease. Okay. Next, the treatment of Parkinson disease. The drugs used to treatment of increase the dopamine. Okay. So here it will be taken orally for the drugs of anti-tremor drugs. So we have to useful for the preventing Parkinson disease. Then it will be increase the dopamine level. Okay. Here also regulate the body. Okay. So here the main drug is levodopa. So the increase the dopaminergic level, it will be helps to regulate the CNS activity. Okay. Here the levodopa is converted to carbidopa. So the carbidopa also related to increase the dopamine level. Okay. Here the receptor site of dopaminergic receptor, that is D1 and D2 receptor site. Okay. Here the binding of drugs is D1 and D2. They will be enhanced to ATP converted to ADP, that is adenine triphosphate. Okay. So here the electrolytes balance will be regulated. Okay. There is a sodium retention process will be also proliferation. Then also depolarization of ions molecules changes. Okay. So here the levodopa converted to carbidopa, it will be regulate the functions of dopamine. Okay. So next, the anti-tumor drugs. also available for the muscle stiffness relaxant mode drugs. So many other muscle stiffness relaxant mode drugs will be available. For example, etoposide, then etoposide will be also available for the muscle relaxant drugs. We are also providing for aciclovir with sedative taste. To combine them, that will be produce muscle relaxant effect. Okay. So, what is the prevention of Parkinson disease? The prevention of Parkinson disease is exercise. First of all, exercise. To exercise the body, human regulate the body and diet. Okay. So, avoid herbicides and toxins. Okay. Thank you.